Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers from subscribing to Mr. Belle Kitchen and thank all my viewers that haven't subscribed yet. So if you haven't subscribed, you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that button and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to just thank everyone from leaving good comments and everything, saying how much of greater help I've been to them, how to use the Power XL, how they didn't have much instructions during the book and everything, and they love the way Mr. Belle take you step by step. Also, Mr. Belle loved to take you step by step too, so everyone can learn how to cook in a Power XL. They don't have to sit it in the closet. They don't have to just push it to the side because they're a little confused. Mr. Belle's here today to show you how to cook in the Power XL. And today I'll be doing something totally different in the Power XL. As you know, Mr. Belle have a long list down the road to go down and everything. Today I'll be making some delicious pancakes in the Power XL. Not just regular pancakes, but some delicious pancakes. Today I'll be making some nice pancakes in the Power XL. I'll be making some Ube Pancakes in the Power XL. As you know, they're gonna be purple pancakes, and these right here, when you make them without the, I'm gonna be using the syrup, but without the syrup, they are sweet pancakes. We made some the other day, and I looked at them, I said, no, I don't want none. And the kids have made some. So then I tried it, and these pancakes are delicious. So I said, I'm gonna make some in the Power XL and just show all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, how they can do it in the Power XL. You know, Mr. Belle gonna take you step by step. This is my first time, this will be your first time. So today my ingredients going to be, I'll be using 1/3 cup of water. I'll be using some of this nice good Mr. Butterworth syrup. And as you know, the pancake mix. I'll be using 2 eggs and just a little bit butter so it just won't stick. And I'll be using a banana because you know you gotta have some kind of fruit on the top of it. I'm just gonna slice them bananas up real good and put it on the top, pour that delicious syrup on it, and it's gonna be so good. So you can use whatever kind of fruit you wanna use. You can use strawberry, blueberries, blackberries, whatever kind of fruit you want to use. So now let's get started in this Power XL. For all my first time viewers and wondering how they're going to do it in the Power XL, well, you know we can't cook it with this top on, so this top move very easy. Just wiggle it one time and pull it up. For all my first time viewers, we're going to set this top to the side. And I'm gonna set this Power XL on. We're gonna do a little saute because that's the way you heat it up and everything. So what I'm gonna do is put it on saute. It's gonna be, the temperature gonna be 350. And I'm gonna just set it for like, set the minutes. I'm gonna set the minutes for about 40 minutes, which you know you're not gonna use all the 40 minutes. Press start. So while it's heating up and everything, it's gonna take some of the minutes away and everything. And by the time you put one pancake in and take it out, we'll be using those minutes. The minutes we don't use, we just deduct from there. So it's gonna be easy today, so I'm gonna get my bowl and I'm just gonna start mixing this stuff up real good. So I'm gonna take my Ube pancake mix out, and this is the way it look. And you can buy this at any store, in an Asian store, or Walmart might have it too. But this is the way it look. Or also you can make waffles. If you don't like pancakes and you like waffles, you can do the waffles too in it. So today I'm just gonna use 3/4 cups of this mix right here. Let me put it right here. 3/4. Just like that. And I'm gonna put this back, save this little right here. And I'm just gonna pour this in the bowl, just like that. And also, if you have large eggs, you can use 1 egg. Since my eggs is kind of small today, I'll be using 2 of these eggs. Just crack it just like that and put it in. Put the shell right in here. And I crack the other one and just open it up, put it in. Pour my water in there. Like I said, we're using this right here is 1/3. Grab me a fork. And we're just gonna mix this up just like this. Just take our time and mix it up. And like I say, this is my first time doing it like this and everything. So I'm just gonna mix it up like this. I'm gonna add a little more water to it. Okay, this is hot, so I'm gonna just put this butter in right here like this, just to get it so it won't stick. You don't need that much butter. You can eyeball your butter and just put it in there just to get every little part kind of little, so it won't stick. Just put it just like that, mix it all over so every little part have a little grease. In the meantime, I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit more. Like that. I'm gonna add just a little more water. Dab of water in there, like that. Always have a little on the side. Mix it up. As you see, mix it up just like that. And it smells good already, and I haven't even started making it yet. Just like that, get all that in there. Look at that. Almost looks just like cake mix. Smell good. Okay, so now we're going to get started. I'm just going to pour a little in there, just like this. Get it started nice and good. We're going to start off with some little ones first. Let's see how this works in the power XL. Like that. And as you see, it's cooking nice and good. But in the meantime, when this is cooking, when you get through it, you know, for all my first time viewers, Mr. Belle likes wash your dishes as it cooking. Don't leave it for your wife. Don't leave it for your friend. Don't leave it for your kids. So everyone can enjoy it. Some people might say, no, I'm not hungry because they thinking they have to do the dishes. So to make everybody happy so they can enjoy the food, wash your dishes as it cooking. That way you can enjoy the food. They can enjoy the food too. So we're going to get back to cooking this. As you see, it's picking it up pretty good, like that. I'm gonna let it cook just a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna flip this together as you see, just like that. Nice, good and brown at the bottom. So these are looking good. And let it cook the other side. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna flip it over one more time, just like that. You see how puffy that's getting? Nice and good. Just like that. Let that cook just a little bit more. You want it nice and soft. Okay, I'm gonna stick the fork in it. As you see, the fork is nice and clean. So this pancake is ready to come out. Take it out, put it over here. Sit it in the plate. Set this to the side. And what I'm gonna do is just put a little dab of butter in there. On the next one, I'm not gonna use no butter, but let me see if it don't stick. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little bit more in there. Just like that. Put it, spread it out, let it cook nice and good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get the spatula and I'm gonna flip this one over just like that. And let it just cook. And, okay. And like I say, this Power XL cook a lot of things in the Power XL you can use. You just put it in this has been great to me and everything. Plus, not only that, you can take it with you. If you go on vacation somewhere, this right here is a good item to take with you on your vacation. If you don't like the food where you go at and everything, you can always cook in your room and just bring the Power XL with you. Everything is time and patient. Okay, we're gonna test it and see if this one is cooked. As you see, it's cooked. The fork is nice and clean. And this is a way you can test it and see when you're cooking something in the Power XL, see if it have any other pancake mix on the fork. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just flip it one time, just like that, and I'm gonna test the back side. As you see, the fork is nice and clean, so this pancake is ready. I'm gonna flip it, I'm gonna take it out, it looks nice and good. And as you see, the colors on it is nice and brown. But when you open this pancake up and everything, when I be testing it, you'll see how purple it is in the inside of it. As you see, these is nice and good. So I'll be cooking the rest of them off camera so I can hurry up and get through with this video. Okay, on this one, I said I was gonna do it off camera, but I changed my mind because I'm not gonna use no butter in this one just to see if it stick. So, you know, I like to take my subscribers, my viewer watchers step by step. So I wanna do this step by step just to show you and everything. And I'm gonna say one thing, this house is smelling good. I can smell these pancakes. It's not like regular pancakes when you're doing it and everything, but these pancakes smell good. This whole house is smelling up with pancakes. And also you can have this with some bacon and eggs or whatever kind of meat you want with it, sausage, or you can just have it with the fruit. It's delicious with a nice cold glass of milk. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. As you know, I did this one without the butter, and it didn't stick and everything, and it's looking good. Because I know some of you will be leaving a comment and say why you use butter. So this time I had to do it without the butter to show you can do it without the butter too. But if you want to use butter, it's optional. You can use it or you don't have to. So these pancakes are gonna be delicious. Okay, we're gonna flip it over, look at it and everything, it's looking good. So we're gonna test it. And it's ready. It's ready to come out, it's good and everything. I'm gonna take this one out, flip it over, it's ready to come out. Look at that, that's looking good. That is looking good. The last pancake right here, and you know I set it at 40 minutes to get my time done. So I only used 28 minutes of it, so I'm gonna press cancel. And like I say, you just set it for a little more time to give yourself time. And I'm gonna take this one out, I'm gonna put it right over here, just like this, and that's looking good. I'm gonna unplug it. And what I'm gonna do now, okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel this banana, just like this. Like I say, you can use whatever kind of fruit you wanna use and everything, or you can make your pancakes whatever size you wanna make your pancakes. But I like the small pancakes, the kids like the small ones and everything. I'm gonna sit that banana right there. As you see, this banana looking nice and good. So I'm just gonna take my banana and just start slicing it just like this. Just slice it up, just like that. Slice on this banana up, like that. Set it like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna just take a couple pieces out this and just throw it all over there just like that. Make it look nice and good. As you see, like I say, if you like blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, whatever kind of fruit you like, you can put on it and everything. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just put it on just like this. And just do it just like this. And it's looking good. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take my syrup and I'm gonna just pour this butterwort syrup all over it. This nice butterwort syrup, and just let it just drip on down. And I'm telling you, these right here gonna be some delicious pancakes with some nice cold glass of milk with some bacon and eggs and everything. And I'm gonna just take one of these off the top and let you see how good the inside of it look and everything. And I'm gonna cut it. Cut it just like this and eat it. As you see, the inside of it is nice and purple and everything. As you see like that, these are purple pancakes. And I'm just gonna take me a piece of banana with that. And that is very tasty. Very delicious with bananas. Thank you. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box and I'll get back to it and everything. But if you haven't subscribed, you've been thinking about subscribing, that's all you have to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen.